Hey, Mark, welcome to the community. In regards to your question about emailing 75,000 contacts from your marketing site, so Groundhogg does everything on the back end via a system called cron jobs and action schedulers. And there's just a lot of back end stuff and optimization that we've done to ensure that your site does not experience issues while sending out thousands upon thousands of emails. So it is our intention that no, you would not experience any sort of slowdown or any sort of front end issues in regards from someone visiting your website while a massive broadcast is going out. That being said, you are sending 75,000 emails out from your website. You will see a usage and resource increase when you look at your Kinsta stats. And you're looking at your usage metrics. You will see increases when those things happen because obviously you're sending a bunch of traffic to your website. Images are being loaded into emails that people are receiving. So you are going to see an increase in usage, but that should not translate to someone actually visiting your site. It may end up costing you a little bit more in a monthly bill, but as you send 75,000 people to your website anyway, I highly doubt that there would be any sort of noticeable increase in costs beyond what you're already paying. Not to mention the massive savings that you would get by using a flat rate cost software like Groundhogg versus paying for 75,000 contacts in ActiveCampaign, which I imagine is no small fee. So I hope that answers your question. If you have specific usage questions or resource usage questions, feel free to ask those, and I'll do my best to just keep you apprised. I always find that usage-based plans for Groundhogg are the best. I run probably 7 or 8, actually now 10 sites with Groundhogg, large sites, Groundhogg included, with an average monthly bill of around $100 to $200. And that's usage-based pricing. So it's pay for what you use, pay for the resources that you use, pay for the memory that you use, pay for the CPU usage time that you use, right? So when you're not using Groundhogg, you're not paying for it. But when you are using it, you are paying for it. There's plenty of hosts that do that, like Cloudways, Clost, Amazon S3 or S2 or whatever it is. So there's plenty of usage-based hosting providers out there, and I will find that they're often the best bang for buck, because if you're not sending out an email to 75,000 people, guess what? You're not paying for a whole bunch of usage fees. So that might be something to consider as well. I love Kinsta, and Kinsta's a great host, but it is kind of like that. You pay upfront regardless of how much resources you're actually using at any given time. So some food for thought. I hope that enables you to make a decision and move forward with your excursion into Groundhogg territory. Again, welcome to the community. And if you have any questions, let me know.